Alright, y'all. Back again for another episode, I guess. Let's talk about Manchester United. Um, I don't know what we're gonna do. The club is in crisis, on and off the field. The way the leaders are running the club, from Ed Woodward to the Glazers, just makes you wonder why do we still have such a big fan base? That's because people growing up watching the team, so we love it. And I'm not gonna let it go, but still, something needs to be done. All right, first things first is on the field performances. We haven't been playing the way we're supposed to, scoring goals, and it's just like the team is just not gelling the way they're supposed to. Solskjaer seems to be married to one formation, even though he doesn't have the players for it. Not making those adjustments. If Marshall is out, then you shouldn't play a 4-2-3-1 because we don't have that one. Because Rashford cannot play that position as effective as Marshall. So if it only says one thing, then common sense would dictate if Marshall is out, what do? Switch your formation up, 4-3-3. But no. So Solskjaer is not making those changes that he's supposed to be making. Injuries is messing us up too. So not only are the team not playing well, but now we have Shaw, Wan-Bissaka and Pogba out. Pogba is in Manchester United at this point. There's no one else helping him in the midfield or in the striking side. So what are we going to do? If we don't have Pogba, who else are we going to play? Are we going to play Lingard, Fred, McTominay? Lingard, Fred, Matic, Lingard, McTominay, Fred? Who are we going to play? Mata? What are we going to do? Luke Shaw, hamstring. One sprint, Luke Shaw making a 3 games. One sprint. And that got make him hamstring up. We see why he never want to bump forward in the first 2 games. In the first 2 games, Luke Shaw never want to go past the half line. And now we see why one sprint, the man making a game. Hamstring pop. Unfit. You understand? Yeah, for question 7, no, Wan-Bissaka is out. The most consistent player we have. Tackle after tackle. Like, nobody can get past him. Boom, he's out. Not sure for how long, but England take him out of the squad because of the injury. If everything for happen at one point, it happening. Bad results, poor management, don't even talk about the transfer market, and no injuries. Right now, I wouldn't be surprised at anything. Right now, I wouldn't surprised if I go home and see my wife pack up her bags, left the picnic at the crib, and gone with one woman gone somewhere. Say she left me. Gone to Mars, find man on Mars. I wouldn't be surprised. Because nothing now go right. The thing just downhill. But at the big side, we have 2 weeks left at the international break. All we can do is hope and pray. Say man, you put on a miracle performance. Because it's coming at the 14th of Jamaica, man, I go there and we need to watch some recent football. But until then, if anything pop up, we make you know. Some ex-players or players on loan talk about the side, I don't know why. Sanchez out there chat off him out. Like this man scored 3 goals in 2 years. Daniel James come and scored 3 goals in 4 games. Like 3 goals in 2 weeks. That makes sense though. But Sanchez a chat off him out. Waste man. Anyway, Jamaican Red Devil.